Room parents, the auction committee. The rooms Pearspark builds for you don't cover everything. Community, then spaces. Click new space. Name it and say in a line what it's for. Who can post? Open lets families and staff both write. Staff post, families reply, keeps the thread starters to staff. Announcements only closest replies. Tick pre-moderation, and a family's post waits for a staff read. The row shows held first, so nobody forgets. Under who's in it, add the parents and staff. Nobody is told the room exists until something is posted in it. Create space. A group an admin fills by hand is invite only. Try it free at pearspark.com.